All right. Someone asked me if I would do a little simple nativity for them, some way of for Christmas, and so I have created this little very simple nativity for beginners. The first person we're going to do, of course, is Mary, and we'll through this series we'll go how we want it. This is going to be real simple. It's not going to be difficult. It will be very easy to do. There's not a lot of detail and everything like that with this piece. It's just basically for us to create a little nativity. Now, let me go ahead. I know I have to get my V-tool for this. Set it over here. And of course, the first thing we want to do is establish our boundaries, which I call boundaries. Now, as you can see, the face comes along here, so we want to be sure. And this is, by the way, this is 3/4 inch wood, and this is about 3.5 inches high. I believe it is, about 3 inches high. I'll check it here in a minute. In other words, we have to establish our boundaries. Now, that is done. I like to do that with my V-tool if I can, like this. Kind of show you that. There we go. We kind of come across here like that. And then of course here's our boundaries of our hand and our arm that comes out here. And the little piece that comes in here. Here for the Mary figure. Okay, now we can go to our knife. Alright, I think the first thing I would want to do is sort of get some depth to my hands right here. The hands kind of fit inside the cover here. So let's go ahead and get some depth there. Just getting a little depth in here. And watch the way I'm doing this. Kind of curving over a little bit with this. See, like that? I'm gonna kind of Look at that. See? Gotta go down just a little bit. Okay, now the hand, we're going to kind of come in here like this. I'm going to go just a little bit deeper in here, okay? Just a little bit deeper. Like that. See that? All right, now I'm going to take the hand and I'm going to sort of bring this all down just a little bit. We're just going to bring this down. Okay. Now let's go ahead and come across here like this. Now let's go ahead and just kind of come back here. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this forward. See the hands like this? I'm going to bring those to kind of together like that. From this side like that. Just like that. There we go. See that? Now let me go ahead and remove some wood in there. Now, all right, just so like that. Have a just like that. All right, now let's go ahead and go to the head here and separate our head. I am sorry, folks. I forgot that telephone was in here. I'm just going to let it ring for a second. Picks it up after 3, so I'm not going to stop the tape just to answer the phone. Okay, bringing the head in here like this. bring this forward just a little bit. Just give it kind of a in-depth look of what you're doing. We're not going to try to make it look like a person necessarily. Just, I mean, what I'm saying is we're not going to. All right. Now, you want to come over here. Begin to shape the outer bounds of our figure. Come in here and make this a little bit deeper in here from the hand to the head. There we go. Now I like that better. A little bit deeper cut in there. All right. We also have an outside piece here on the roll. Get that kind of situated. And of course we bring this down. Okay, my time's about up. But you're getting the general idea what we're doing here. Alright, as we look at it, we've already got a lot of it formed the way we want it to. Alright, time's up.